A luxury vitamin C serum that costs €160 and promises overnight glow. The BYNACHT Illuminating Super C Serum looks the part, but does it deliver results worthy of the price tag? Let's take a closer look at the ingredients, the science, and who this serum might actually be for. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Anne, a medical doctor here to teach you how to best take care of your skin and general well-being. The brand claims their serum features a maximally high concentration of Ascorbyl Tetraisopalmitate, a vitamin C derivative, to give you radiant skin overnight. The product itself is slightly off-white, has a very faint herbal scent, and the texture of a light lotion that spreads with ease, but leaves behind some tackiness that will linger for the next few minutes. You are supposed to use a pipette's length of product for your whole face, which isn't as easy as it sounds. The droppers sometimes had difficulties picking up product even as the bottle was still full, with me having to go back in a few times to get enough to cover my whole face. According to the brand, the Ascorbyl Tetraisopalmitate they use works best at night, hence putting it in your nighttime routine directly after cleansing is recommended. I don't know why this particular vitamin C derivative should work better at night than during the day, and can reassure you that the formula contains nothing that would make it unsuitable for daytime use, if putting it in your morning routine works better for you. The only thing I can imagine is that they argue that when used during the day, the ingredient is mainly used for its antioxidant purposes, as there are more free radicals due to sun exposure, so that when used at night, it can be utilized better for supporting collagen production and brightening dark spots. I am not saying that is wrong, it is just that I don't think it makes that huge of a difference, which is why I used it mainly in the mornings. You might have heard that you shouldn't use vitamin C in conjunction with other potentially irritating ingredients like acids, and while it always is a good idea to keep your actives separate, that isn't much of a problem when you use a vitamin C derivative, as they are much less irritating and much more stable than ascorbic acid is. Vitamin C derivatives are also more stable than ascorbic acid, meaning you don't have to worry about it losing its efficacy as quickly. The product should be good for 6 months after opening. When looking at the ingredient list, Ascorbyl Tetraisopalmitate is the 4th ingredient after glycerin. They claim to have used it at maximally high concentration without actually giving you the concentration, so I have to give you an educated guess here. It is recommended to use Ascorbyl Tetraisopalmitate in a concentration between 0.1 and 5% in cosmetics. You might have seen products with a much higher concentration, like the Ordinary's Ascorbyl Tetraisopalmitate 20% in vitamin F, but here they take a 20% solution to make the formula, so the concentration in the finished product is actually lower than what you read on the label. As it comes directly after glycerin, the ingredient list, I would assume it is used at 2% or lower. Probably not maximally high, but then again, I don't have much experience with this vitamin C derivative. It is oil soluble, which could result in better absorption into the skin. Other than that, you have glycerin and hyaluronic acid for hydration, and then an interesting complex made up of sunflower seed oil, ethyl ferulate, rosemary leaf extract, uridine monophosphate, and tocopherol. This complex is called Seligent 2020 and, according to the manufacturer, supports the cells in repairing their DNA, especially after UV exposure. Nothing I have frequently heard of or that is backed by independent studies beyond the manufacturer's own claims, which is something I always look out for to gauge how relatable and broadly applicable a product's effects might be. Other than that, there's nothing remarkable about the formula. The BYNACHT Illuminating Super C Serum is one of these products that look absolutely luxurious out on your bathroom counter. Black glass, golden writing, I love that. On the downside, I don't think the dropper works reliably, and the texture, which is nice and lightweight, does leave the skin tacky for a few minutes after application. As I personally prefer ascorbic acid as my vitamin C of choice, I will surely not repurchase at €160 a bottle. The Ascorbyl Tetraisopalmitate used here might be a good alternative for those that can't tolerate ascorbic acid due to its irritation potential though. But even then, there are more affordable products out there. You definitely pay for packaging and branding here, which isn't a bad thing, just something you need to be aware of when deciding what to buy. It should work for all skin types and can in theory be used for all ages. If you're still young though, save the money for other things and stick to a more affordable version. And if you enjoyed this video, you will most likely enjoy the ones I linked on the screen here. Don't forget to check out the description box for everything else I have to offer, and like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next video.